Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 BMW 325i. This vehicle still has fewer than 5,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The BMW 3 Series sedan, the original high-performance sports sedan that set the standard for dynamic, agile, and balanced driving. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, keyless start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Refined, intelligent, and balanced with a fierce lust for performance, the 3 Series sedan.